Hello, hello, my friends, and welcome back into the kitchen. I am Wendy, your kitchen chaos coordinator. So glad you could join us tonight. Tonight, what's for dinner? Simple, savory, family approved, one sheet. That's all we need. So you're not going to be making a big mess in the kitchen. Again, we're going for no stress this week. It is one sheet honey, garlic, chicken, and potatoes. All right, what do you need for that? Honey, garlic, chicken, potatoes, a sheet pan, and then optionally, if you want, you can add green beans and broccoli, which I am doing tonight. So let's get that started. Go get your chair, go grab your spoon, come back on in, and we'll get going. All right, the first thing we want to do is we want this little bag of baby potatoes. We're going to wash them and then we're going to half them, okay? We're going to wash them, half them, and I'm going to put them in a big Ziploc bag. So be right back. All right, potatoes are in the bag. All I'm going to do is just mash around to evenly coat the oil, salt, and pepper onto the potatoes. Then we're going to throw the potatoes on our sheet pan, and I'm going to line our sheet pan with parchment paper. I like to do that because the parchment paper keeps everything from sticking to the pan and also gives it another layer. I really enjoy cooking with parchment paper. So this is also linked. This is linked in my link tree. It's in the description as well as in my bio in the about section. So feel free to head on over there. I've got my some other favorite things over there as well. So let's get this lined out and I'll throw the potatoes in. The potatoes are going to go in the 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes, and then we'll pull them back out and we'll get ready for the next steps. All right. Here we go. Okay, this is headed into the oven, 400 degrees. It's already preheated, so 400 degrees preheated for about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see you in a minute. For the chicken, I have 2 chicken breasts, but what I'm doing is I'm cutting them into, I don't know, 2-inch by 1-inch slices. It makes it easier to cook on the sheet pan, and I know that we're going to be covering them with a sauce, so I want to also put them in a Ziploc bag to make sure they're really, really coated with the sauce. So it just makes it easier to cut them into the slices. So I'm just taking, you know me, I don't want any fat on these, so I'm just in here cutting up the chicken while we're waiting on the potatoes to roast and getting that prepared into those 2-inch by 1-inch hunks of meat, hunks of chicken. All right, so here's what I'm up to. We are still waiting on the potatoes. And while we're doing that, we should make the sauce for our chicken to go in. So it's going to take some garlic, some honey, and some soy sauce. And then we'll just drop the chicken in there and get it all nice and coated. So first things first, I'm the realist. It's 2 cloves of garlic that we've minced. Put that in there. And then I believe it's 1/3 cup of honey. And this is just some local honey that I've got. And I think I'm just going to pour it straight. So 1/3 cup honey going in. And it's 1/4 cup of soy sauce, which I think this is going to be it for my... Oh, I'm so sad that Kroger has left us. We can't get Kroger delivery anymore. What am I going to do? It's a very sad day for Central Florida. Pour that on top, and we'll get the rest of that honey out of there. All right, now I'm just going to knead the bottom of this just to get it all mixed up. You know, you could put it in a bowl and whisk it, but then you have to brush it on top of the chicken. Why not just put the chicken in there? That way you get more use out of it. I'm all about simplicity. I'm all about getting dinner to the table without stress. How about you? And using a sheet pan, that is one way to do it. One sheet, everything cooks on it. You're good to go. And you see how we're like preparing the next steps as the first step is cooking? So simple. So when that timer goes off, we're gonna pull that sheet pan out. We're gonna put the chicken on the pan and we're gonna let the chicken sit in there for 25 minutes. But then maybe 10 minutes left is when we're going to throw on our green beans and our broccoli. And we'll sparse it around along with the potatoes, just to make sure everything's even on that pan. But look, this is ready to go. We're just waiting on the timer now. Just waiting on the timer. All right, so I'll be back in a minute. All right, so our potatoes have been cooking for about 15 minutes. And now it is time to add the chicken to it. We're gonna add the chicken and roast them for another 20 to 25 minutes. So all I'm gonna do is dump the chicken pieces into our Ziploc bag with our sauce. And remember, our sauce has honey, soy sauce, and a little bit of garlic. And again, all I'm gonna do is just rub these together to get them a good coating, and then we're just going to dump these pieces on top. Try to find room in between the potatoes if you can. Okay, the chicken is on the pan and we are putting this back in the oven. Again, it's 400 degrees for another 20 to 25 minutes. So I will see you then. Come on, chicken. All right, so we've been cooking for about 15 minutes. It's time to add the vegetables for the last 10 minutes of cooking. So let's get this out of the oven. We'll add our vegetables. I used about half of each package there and just rinsed them off. Looking good, looking good. We'll sprinkle our veggies on top and then we will go for another 10 minutes. The final 10 minutes, everything should be cooked. Okie dokie. It has been actually another 15 minutes. I gave it an extra 5 minutes. Took a little longer, I think, for the green beans. I wanted them to be crisp, but not so crisp. So let's get this out of the oven and we will get ready to serve it up. Woohoo! Brilliant. One dish. One dish. Let me get this up closer. Oh, look at Buddy. What is he doing? I don't know. All right. Why does this work? Why do one sheet pans dinners work? Well, because they do the work for you. All you need is the one pan and your oven. Simple, quick to the table. And you've got your veg, you've got your main meat, and you're ready to go. Serve this with a little side of bread. Perfect. Perfect. Energy, skyrocket. You're done. Easy. That's what we were looking for this week, right? Easy, economical. This is obviously going to feed more than a family of 4, so you'll have leftovers for this. And you had other time to do other things while it was cooking. So we're in for it. Let's take this to the table and we will eat together. All right? See you at the table. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I had such a good time with you. Hey, listen, we're all about stress-free this week, and this one definitely takes the cake. Throw it on there and we're good to go. This smells delicious. The honey and the soy sauce, you've got sweet, you've got savory. We are ready to dig in and eat. Thank you so much for your likes, your subscribes. Again, likes tells YouTube this is a decent video. Send it out to other people. Subscribes, hey, I really like Wendy and all her content. You should send all of her content out to other people. So I appreciate every like and every subscribe. Please do both. Really helps my channel. I appreciate your support. And if you're looking for the parchment paper or those sheet pans or that McCormick spice, head on over to the links. They're in the description or they're in my bio in the about part. Head on over to Linktree. I might earn a little bit of a commission off of any sales off of there, but I sure appreciate the support of the channel. All right, stay tuned for a Zen moment, and we will catch you next time. Bye, friends. See you later.